Hello everybody out there in YouTube land. Welcome to the Tactical Husband Show. And I'm your host, Sailor, the Tactical Husband. Got a new product review for you. It's not a new product, but it's new to me. And I've been looking for a good flashlight that could work as an EDC or, if you're out walking, camping, working on something in the dark, or just something you want to brighten up the night if you got to walk the dog or whatever. And this is what I got. The Olight Warrior 3S in black and blue. Now they have it in two different colors, OD green and a blue and black. They have had some in the past in different colors, but as right now on the website, these are only two colors they have. The other colors are kind of hard to find. Now, Olight does not know who I am, except that I bought this from them. They didn't give it to me. I paid for it with my own money. So let's take it to the tabletop and let's talk about it. Alright, so here we are. Once again, Olight. The packaging, amazing. Love it. It's got a magnetic flap here. Unbox it. And then it's got your little thing on how to take out the little plastic thing so it doesn't drain the battery. How to charge it and whatnot. Let's get rid of that. We don't need that. And it comes in a nice carrying case. And then you got your other stuff, goodies in here, and it says thank you. Well, thank you too for taking my money, I guess. Alright, so let's see what we get in the little box first. Alright, so you got all your instruction manual, and you got your MCC 3 magnetic charger. That's all that's in there. And you get this nice little carrying case. The carrying case can be hooked to something with a carabiner, run through a belt loop, and I'm pretty sure it'll work even with Molly, it's got that snap there. Alright, and you got the little button, boop, it pops loose. And it's got drain hose, top and in the bottom if it gets water or dirt in it. So here's the light. Alright, it's got this nice pocket / hat clip that you can reverse and change where it goes. And it's got your side button here. It also has a tail switch button also. So which, that in all its honesty, is really nice. And I like that. So you have two ways to turn on. So you get bam or bam. Pretty cool, huh? So let's talk about some of the specs on this. The battery actually uses a 21700 3.6 volt 500 milliamp hour battery. And you take the tail cap off here. And there it is. Alright. So if you have any type of rechargeable 2700 battery that's in this spec, it should work in this light. Alright. Put that back on. Get it good and tight. As the Germans would say, good and tight. Now, it also has multiple settings. So you have your indicators here. This side is what brightness level it is. This side is the battery level. Okay, so to get moonlight, you just touch and hold it, and there's moonlight, which is 1 lumen. On moonlight mode, it will last for 55 days with a full charge. Alright, so to cycle through the modes, you just touch and hold it. There's low. Low is 15 lumens. Runtime is 139 hours with a full charge, which pretty good. All right, now there's medium. Medium is 200 lumens. Runtime's 13 hours with a full charge. And then you got high. Oh, I gotta back it up. Come on now, baby. All right, high. There we go. It has a front sensor, so when it's on high or turbo, it will change what it's on. So on high, it's 800 lumens, runtime's 160 minutes, steps down to 250 lumens in 39 minutes after the 166. Alright, see, I got close, it changed. Oh, I think I've got it. Yeah, I had it on turbo. Alright, so there's high, that's what high is. Now turbo, to activate turbo, you double click it twice. That's turbo. See, watch. See how it changed? It goes back to high. and then back to turbo. That's the sensor. Now on turbo, it's 2300 lumens. Runtime is 2.5 minutes. Steps down to 800 lumens, and for 160 minutes, steps down to 250 lumens for 39 minutes as the battery depletes. Now on turbo mode, it'll shine up to 300 meters is what they say. And it is made, and I can already tell it's starting to get warm on turbo. All right. So I always like, come on now. Moonlight. Low, medium. All right. Medium's always really a good one. Okay, so on this is made out of and it is made out of aluminum alloy A6061T6. Okay, so it's going to be really tough. It's painted so it's anti-corrosion, anti-rust, but it also depends on how much damage you put it in. You know, especially if you try to use it as a hammer. And on the tail switch, you have two modes. Now, if you barely push on it, hang on, let me try again. If you barely push on it, it's on low, and then if you push it all the way down, it turns on turbo, and it doesn't stay on. It will stay on, but you have to hit it quick. Now, if you hold it, it won't stay on. See, that's the sensor. But if you touch it real quick, it'll stay on high. Alright, and the reason they've done that is you can actually mount this to a rifle and use one of the tail cap switches with a pressure pad for it. That's why it's made that way. Now the sensor keeps it from burning because Olight does say that on turbo it will catch things on fire. So that is pretty nifty. So I think this will be a good, it's a little big for a pocket flashlight, but it would work in a pinch. But for going outside and walking a dog at night, or, you know, working on your car, or changing a flat, camping, whatnot, I think this is a pretty good thing here for that. And I have an extra one of their chargers here. This is what it looks like. Now when it's plugged up, when you magnetize it to it, it turns green. That means it's fully charged. It'll be red if it's not. That's how that works, and that's the one that works for pretty much all their stuff. Good flashlight. Now I'm going to throw in some footage of me outside with it in the dark and talking about the different settings. Alright? Okay, now we're outside in the backyard to do a demonstration for the Warrior S3. It's not 100% dark, got some street lights around, but it is dark enough for the demonstration. So here we go. Here is moonlight right there. All right, and then low, medium, high, and now let's hit it with the turbo. Whew, God, that 2300 lumens, that lights up the whole night, doesn't it? That's wonderful. All right, so I hope you like that outdoor footage of it. And so far, so good. This has been a good light. If y'all would like to have a update 6 months or something like that, let me know in the comments, and I'll do an update video on it. Mostly this, I think I'm going to put it in my everyday go bag that I carry with me. You know, dad backpack, man purse, whatever you want to call it. I think that's what this is going to go in, because I always also have a flashlight in my pocket at all times too. So we'll see how it goes, and thank you for watching. Thank you for waiting a time and enjoy this video. If you find it informative, hit that like button, and don't only hit it like it owes you money, okay? And if you want to, leave a comment down there and tell me if I'm doing a good job, or tell me you hate my fat head. I don't care. Comment's a comment. And if you don't care, give me a subscribe, help grow the channel. And thank you for coming and hanging out with me. And as always, have a good day.